Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll create a Google-style search bar right inside Excel with no coding and no macros. First, let's set up our data. Select the entire range and press Ctrl+T to convert it into an Excel table. Under the Table Design tab, you'll find an option to give your table a custom name, making it easier to reference and manage your data. Then name the table as Data TBL using the Table Design tab. Let's create a new sheet where we'll display our search results. Rename the new sheet to Search Result. Now it's time to design our search result view where everything comes together and your data is displayed in a clean, user-friendly way. First, uncheck grid lines to hide the default grid layout in Excel and create a cleaner workspace for our design. Then go to the Insert tab and add a text box from the Shapes panel. I type in the text box as Googsel, and I adjust the size of the text box and customize its colors. At the bottom right corner, add another small text box, type Search Anything, and format it. Let's design a search bar just like the one you see on Google. Go to Insert Shapes and add Rounded Rectangle. And change the theme's style and outline. Align the shape, add a light fill color, and apply a shadow effect to the search bar for a more visually appealing look. Next, insert a magnifying glass icon from the Insert Icons menu. Resize it and position it inside the rounded rectangle aligned to the left side. Now, insert an ActiveX text box to display real-time search results as the user types. To do this, go to the Developer tab, where all the ActiveX controls are available for use. Sometimes the Developer tab doesn't appear by default. To enable it, click on File, then go to Options. Now click on Customize ribbon. On the right side, you'll see a Developer checkbox. Check it to enable the tab. Now select ActiveX Controls text box and draw it within the search bar shape. Give the text box the name Search Box so you can easily reference it. Next, open the properties of the text box from the Developer tab. In the Properties window, set the border style to None to remove the borders. Copy the headers from your data table and paste them into the search result page to set up the columns for displaying results. Now, select the first row cell of the first column to start linking it with your search results. Type this formula carefully into the selected cell. The formula is also included in the description for easy copy and use. Type =filter. Then enter the table datable as the array to filter. After the comma, use by row to evaluate each row. Inside by row, use a lambda function with a row parameter. Within the lambda, apply the search function to find the value in the search box. Wrap search with is number to return true for found matches. Use double dash to convert true/false to 1-0. If the sum is greater than 0, that row is included in the result. In here, this should be suggest our ActiveX text box. Unfortunately, the ActiveX text box name not suggested here automatically in my Excel. To fix this issue, we can use the Link Itself feature to connect the text box with a cell and make it easier to use in formulas. Go to ActiveX text box properties. Now type any cell ID. I enter A1 cell. Now enter cell ID inside of the search function. Close the by row and filter functions. Finally, type not found as the optional result if no match is found and press enter. This powerful combination of filter plus by row plus lambda checks every cell in every row and returns all matches based on your search. After applying the filter formula, select the data range in the data sheet and go to Conditional Formatting. Click on New Rule and select Format only cells that contain. Now select No Blanks under the Format only cell with section. Now click Format button. Select border color as you want. Next, to highlight the searched keyword and related matches, go to Conditional Formatting again, select Highlight Cells Rules. Then click Text that contains. Select linked cell and choose a fill color and click OK. This will highlight all matching text dynamically as per your search input. Now try typing a keyword into the search bar and see the magic happen. The results update instantly without any VBA or macros. That's how you can create a Google-like dynamic search bar in Excel in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.